Alright, today I'm going to show you how to only allow numeric values within a cell in Excel. So let's say that we're entering a bunch of data into column A and we only want to allow numeric values to be entered here. We don't want any letters or anything like that. So the first step is to select the range of cells that you want to be allowing numeric values. In this case, we can just select all of column A by selecting this letter here at the top. And now that we have that selected, if we go up to the data ribbon, under data tools, look for this icon, which is the data validation icon. Go ahead and select that, and this little menu box will appear. Under the settings portion, we want to switch the allow to either a whole number or a decimal or whatever you're wanting. In this case, we'll just select whole number. And then you have a couple of options here. Under data, you can hit this drop down and switch what you want this to be. Right now it's set between, so we could set a minimum number of like say 0 and a max of 100. So you can't input any numbers outside of this range. So no negative numbers in this case, or any numbers above 100. But in this case, we're just gonna select greater than or equal to, and we're gonna set our minimum at 0. So basically this will allow us to input any number from 0 to infinity. Now if someone goes to input something outside of a numeric value, we can create an error alert explaining what they did wrong. So in this case we can just say not number. And we'll go ahead and hit OK. So now we can type 1, 2, 3, 900, but let's say that we try to type no. That's going to pop up with this error message saying that it's not a number. And then it's going to ask us to retry our cancel. So we can retry, and if we put a number in there, we're good to go. And there you have it. That's how you can set a range of cells to only allow numeric values within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.